Samuel Lloyd Milby, born May 23, 1984, is a Filipino actor, model, and musician. He came to prominence after joining the first edition of Pinoy Big Brother. He was born in Troy, Ohio, USA to parents Lloyd William Milby, an American businessman from Ohio, and Elsie Ronquillo Lacha, a Filipina from Tago, Surigao del Sur. Returning to the Philippines in 2005, Milby decided to seriously pursue a career in show business and modeling. He landed bit roles in some ads before obtaining a lead role in Close-Up's TV commercial with Barbie Malbas. He subsequently joined Pinoy Big Brother, which featured 12 men and women from different walks of life. Milby was not one of the original 12, but joined the cast when one of the contestants left the house. After this, he became an actor and recording artist and signed a contract with ABS-CBN. His first major film debut was Close to You, produced by ABS-CBN subsidiary Star Cinema and co-starring John Lloyd Cruz and B. Alonzo. On May 23, 2020, Milby revealed that he is in a relationship with Miss Universe 2018, Catriona Gray. They announced their engagement on February 16, 2023, in a social media post. In 2024, he revealed that he had type 2 diabetes. In 2025, he revealed that he and Gray had broken up. Sam Milby's industrial-inspired condo unit. In a vlog posted by Alex Gonzaga in 2018, the actor gave a peek inside his home, which has a mini studio and interesting features. While celebrities often share a peek into their daily schedules, it's not every day that they open the doors to their homes. Some would share photos on their social media or even allow friends from the media visit every now and then. Alex Gonzaga featured Sam Milby's condo home in a special bachelor's condo raid. It's not the first time that Sam opened the door of his home, as he once welcomed Chris Aquino in the same space in 2015. Based on a Polaroid photo the actor shared on Instagram, it seemed nothing major has changed in the unit, as the style was more or less the same. Sam's condo features an industrial meets rustic aesthetic with brick walls, metal shelves, and wooden touches completing the look. Let's go down memory lane and check out some of the interesting features we spotted in Sam's condo below. A trolley defines the entryway. Upon entrance to the unit, you'll be greeted by a brick wall on the right. It features a trolley housing the actor's keys and helmets. He rides motorcycles, and a loshi rack. Various works of art serve as wall accents. At the time the vlog was recorded, Sam had the striking frame pieces on display near the dining area, which in a way soften up the brick and wood combo. He has a chalkboard wall for reminders. A chalkboard wall not only serves a purpose, it also adds to the industrial feel of the space. It comes in handy for taking note of important appointments and must-dos, as well as things needed around the house. His kitchen is perfect for entertaining friends, perhaps to keep the condo unit from looking cramped, as well as to make entertaining friends easier. One side of the kitchen is kept open, facing the dining area. With this kind of layout, food can be served and passed immediately. Sam often invites friends over, and he is close friends with John Prats and Moira Della Torre, to name a few. He has a wine cooler. What better way to make get-togethers with friends more fun than by serving a couple of refreshing drinks? Black subway tiles complete the kitchen. How else can you achieve the industrial style? By picking the right tiles, of course. In the kitchen, black subway tiles define the walls, which perfectly complement the brick wall on the other side of the unit. The living area is modern and inviting, to balance out the look of the condo unit and to complement the materials used in the dining area. The living area is furnished with light-colored furniture pieces. Some of the best parts about Sam's living area: he has a lovely view of the city skyline, and he has a reclining sofa, which makes unwinding much more comfortable. Polaroid photos on display add a personal touch to his unit. Sam loves taking Polaroid photos with friends, and these are on display on a wall near the kitchen. When it comes to personalizing a space, you can never go wrong with prize photographs. The unit has a narrow hallway leading to the bedrooms. Here are 2 bedrooms in the unit, one of which is Sam's room while the other serves as a guest room. The red sliding barn door on the left from the living and dining areas opens to the common bathroom. Iron pipe shelves double as decor in the unit. Striking shelves can be seen in corners of the unit holding books and other essentials. He has a bigger shelf in the living area as well. Sam's headboard is peg-worthy, as if mirroring the bricks used on the walls. Sam's headboard features wooden pieces laid out like subway tiles. Instead of the usual desk lamp, a hanging lighting piece illuminates the bedroom. You won't instantly notice the TV in his room. According to Sam, friends often can't spot the TV in his room because it's mounted in a unique way, angled and almost reaching the ceiling. Sam has a mini recording studio in his bedroom. According to the actor, this is where he listens and records some songs. He revealed that Moira once recorded a song in his studio as well. On display in this part of the room are his guitars, one of which is the first one he ever used. Tony Gonzaga reveals Moira Della Torre lived in Sam Milby's condo. Tony Gonzaga interviews Moira Della Torre about relationship with Sam Milby on her vlog. The Capamelia actress-singer made a revelation that Moira Della Torre has lived in Sam Milby's condo before. One of the most popular personalities in the Philippine music industry now is Moira Della Torre, the songwriter and singer behind the popular songs Tagpuan, Ika at Ako, and Palbaya is a former contestant in the ABS-CBN singing competition The Voice Kids. However, she got eliminated from the competition. Meanwhile, then, it was beyond her knowledge that a very beautiful career in the music industry awaits her. Aside from being a singer who never fails to reach the emotions of people, she is a woman of faith. A lot of people admire Moira Della Torre for her inspiring messages. It is no secret to the public that she came from a broken family, and she battled severe depression before. Recently, Tony Gonzaga invited Moira Della Torre to be a guest in her vlog as part of the celebration of Women's Month. During the interview, the actress-singer revealed that the Tagpuan singer had lived in the condo unit of actor-singer Sam Milby before. Speaking to Tony, Moira shared that she has no family in Manila then and as well as Sam. He was the one who first reached out to her, and he even gave her her first branded guitar as a gift. They shared a bond like a real brother and sister. According to Moira Della Torre, she was going through something during the time. Sam Milby, a protective brother, he does not want her to be alone, so he had her stay in his own condo unit. The Palbaya singer said that they just met in Cornerstone Entertainment. According to her, before she joined The Voice, Sam messaged him although they were not yet close to each other then. Sam cries while talking about breakup with Catriona. Sam Milby has finally set foot on the grounds of GMA7. As of 2025, Sam celebrates his 20th year in showbiz. After 2 decades, this marks the first time he visited GMA Network. This happened during his guest appearance on the talk show Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, which will air on Monday, March 3, 2025. With a smile, Sam told Boy Abunda that it was his first time ever stepping inside the Kapuso network. The show's host explained that it has become a tradition for first-time guests at GMA7 to kiss the studio floor. Sam couldn't believe what he heard, but followed Boy's instructions. He knelt down and kissed the floor, surprising everyone around. After the interview, Boy Abunda also knelt down and kissed the floor, leaving Sam in shock. Sam's first ever visit to GMA7 was truly unforgettable, not just because of the floor kissing tradition, but because he broke down in tears while talking about his breakup with ex-fiancée Catriona Gray. Viewers shouldn't miss the emotional interview on Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, as the 40-year-old actor couldn't contain his emotions, possibly due to the deep sadness he is currently experiencing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content.